Good morning, boys and girls. Welcome back to home learning. And instead of the dolphins this week, we are going to do our maths with these fish. And this one has even put on special lipstick for you because she's so excited to do her learning with you. And the reason why is because we have a fish, beautiful fish that you cut out and made on your maths cover. So let's get started with today's maths. So I'm going to put the whiteboard here. And let's have a look at what we learned last week. So when I show you this number, name, can you please give me that many claps? So if I show you the number name 8, you'll give me 8 claps. So let's see, you give me this amount of claps. Correct. That says 2. Remember, that's the number name. So it's 1, 2. Right. And can you give me this many claps? Correct. That's number name 1 and 1. Right. So now today we're going to look at number name 3. So it's 3, 3. Right, so let's give 3 claps. 1, 2, 3. And we look at the number 3. And we look at 3 things. Remember I said they need to be the same things. Otherwise we would have 1 hen, 1 egg, and 1 rooster instead of 3 hens. So number name 3, number 3, 3 things. So let's just have a look at that again. Let's read these. 1, 3, and 2. Right, well done. Now, when we look at numbers, they are written in a specific order that everybody follows. And if we jump them out of order, or jumble them up, should I say, so if we put the 2 over there between the 14 and 15, then everybody will get mixed up and your sums won't be correct. Also, if you have a cell phone number and you don't dial the numbers in the correct order, and maybe you swap some around or you put a 1 where there shouldn't be a 1, you are going to dial a number incorrectly and you won't get hold of the person that you are phoning. You'll get hold of somebody else. So it's important that we know the order of numbers. So this is a number chart that we are going to use as our calculator or our computer to help our computer that God gave us, which is our wonderful, wonderful, amazing brains, to help us to do our maths. So this is called a number line, and you may have used it in grade R. It starts at 0 and it goes on to 20, and it's got an arrow there, meaning that numbers don't stop at 20. They carry on and on and on forever and ever. And then this 0 goes into other numbers that you'll probably learn in grade 7 that are smaller than 0. Right, and then this is what we call a number chart. And those of you who were at school, you would have seen a big number chart on my board so that the children at the back, when we work on it, would be able to see the numbers. So it looks like this. It doesn't have these lovely colors though, but it has the numbers in order up until 100, starting at 0. So now we're going to quickly count so that we get the order correct, and I'd like you to do some exercises while we count. So the first exercise you're going to do, as I point to it, and I'm going to go quite quickly, so I'd like you to jump with 2 feet together, and you're going to jump when I point to the number, and then jump when I point to the next one. So jump and count. All right, so everybody up, feet together, and let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Well done. Now you are going to keep your feet together, and you're going to go on your tippy toes and stretch those fingers right up to the roof of your house or wherever you are, and then you're going to go down back onto your flat feet and put your hands at your sides. Can you do that? So let's go up on your toes, reach to the roof, arms at your sides, and feet flat on the ground. So let's go now. We're going to count backwards. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You can sit down. Okay, well done. So that's our counting. And now we're going to just quickly have a look at the order of numbers. So if I put, you can say the numbers as I put them down. I'll put those numbers on my board. Right. Number 4, 5, 6. Right. Now who can look at those 3 numbers and tell me which number comes before 5? Right. So 5 is here, and the one that comes first, before. So it means we need to look at this number. So before 5 is 4. Right? After 5, what's the number after 5? The one that comes next after 5. Correct, it's number 6. So that one comes after, before and after. Right, what comes between or in the middle of 4 and 6? Yes, number 5 comes in the middle. Right, so 4, 5, 6. 4 is before 5, 6 is after 5, and 5 is in between 4 and 6. Right, so let's have a look now. I'm going to show you a number, and I'm going to ask you a question, and you can just answer it, and then I'll tell you the answer, and let's see how many you can get correct. I'm sure you're going to do just fine. Right, what comes after 1? Correct. Number 2 comes after it. We count 1, 2. What comes after 6. Yes, 6, 7. Number 10. What comes before 10? Yes, before is this way. So we count this number before we count 10. Number 9. 9, 10. Right. Which number comes, let me find, before 9? 8. 8, 9, 10. Right. And which number comes in between these two numbers? So in the middle. Which number? Yes, number 3. 2, 3, 4. This one's in between those two. He's in the middle. Right. So before 3 is 2. After 3 is 4. Right. Well done, boys and girls. Remember your before, after, and in between, and then we'll look at number orders from tomorrow. So we've started with our counting, and now you're going to get your brown book ready, and then I'm going to show you what exercise we're going to do in there today, and then we are finished with maths for Monday.